What if I told you Earth's orbit is becoming a cosmic junkyard? And we might be just one collision away from a satellite apocalypse. Right now, over 170 million pieces of space junk orbit our planet at speeds faster than a bullet. And cleaning it up, it's way harder and scarier than you think. From dead satellites to rocket shards, space debris poses a massive threat to future missions, GPS systems, internet satellites, and even the International Space Station. One tiny screw traveling at 28,000 kilometers per hour can destroy a billion-dollar satellite. That's how fragile our space infrastructure really is. Welcome to the space junk crisis. So, how do we fix this orbital nightmare? Space agencies and startups are racing against time with sci-fi level solutions. From giant nets to laser beams, magnetic tethers, and self-destructing satellites, these cutting-edge technologies aim to catch and deorbit the junk before disaster strikes. Imagine a satellite launching a harpoon or a net to snag debris, or a robotic arm grabbing a stray chunk and sending it to burn up in Earth's atmosphere. It sounds wild, but it's really happening. But here's the twist. Who decides what to clean? And what if one country's cleanup satellite is mistaken for a weapon? The cleanup mission isn't just technical, it's political, ethical, and urgent. Because if a major collision triggers the Kessler Syndrome, a chain reaction of debris, it could make low Earth orbit unusable for decades. The future of space isn't just about going to Mars, it's about protecting what's already above us. If this opened your eyes to the invisible war above our heads, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into space and tech, and comment below. What's the craziest solution you can think of for space junk?